July CPI print up at 8:30 this morning. The market in a bit of a wait-and-see pattern heading into that number, 3.3% expected on the headline number. We'll bring that to you when it happens. Overall, though, futures actually higher here to start this morning. An absolute ton to get to as far as what is moving around. Alibaba reports higher so far for BABA shares in the pre-market. Not so much for Disney, on a bit of a miss for them. I mean, it was mixed, but we'll talk about Disney's earnings coming up here. Strange options activity yesterday in Alphabet shares. A ton of call buying going on still in Google. We'll touch on that. Apple on a minor report involving TSMC. Plug Power out with their latest earnings. Yeah, Cathie Wood was not only buying the dip on Palantir again yesterday, but buying the dip on Roblox following their earnings miss the prior session. We'll talk about this app Loven coming up.